All right, I'm going to show you 6 of the easiest ways to start over. Number 1, setting and enforcing boundaries. We teach people how to treat us. Since we can't control what other people think, feel, or do, we know it would be unfair for us to expect others to read our minds. Only we know our needs that keep us in a healthy frame of mind. It's our responsibility to let people know. Number 2, breath work. Our bodies need more oxygen than we may think. If you have a problem with focus, memory, or mental clarity, this is your body's innate way of signaling it requires more oxygen. Number 3, focus practice. Have you ever had it growing up where you're at school and maybe the teacher keeps telling you to focus, but you can't focus? Did you ever think that maybe the reason we have problems focusing is because we weren't actually taught how to focus? Think about that. How have you been taught how to learn how to focus as a child? If you don't know, then starting to practice it daily might be what you have needed all along. One way to practice focus is through guided meditation. I will be doing a more thorough video on focusing, so look for that to come soon. Number 4, move your body. Besides the physical benefits we know we get from moderate exercise, it's important to understand the mental benefits we get. For instance, it releases stress and tension. If you're in a bad mood, it can change your state. It can allow you to be in a better place so you can practice focus. Number 5, embrace your emotions. If your goal is to truly start over, start fresh, then it's crucial to understand that we need to allow ourselves to sit with and feel our emotions through in order to release them. And number 6, change your mindset. When we have negative emotions, it may be due to our perceptions and situations, us having misunderstandings or miscommunications, and sometimes we need clarity on those situations. Once we explore finding answers, that's when we start having these breakthroughs, these epiphanies, these aha moments that literally can change your life. All right, you guys, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit notifications. All right, we will see you in the next video. Bye.